ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this bad boy is on. I had a problem starting this bike. It's a 2001 Suzuki SV650S. These motorcycles, sometimes they can be hard to start. So this is what I found out. Right here is the clutch. There's a little switch right there. This mother lover was right in there and couldn't start. That's what I did. I found me a paper clip or a piece of wire and put a jump in there, and the mother lover started real fast. And I'm not joking. Try that. I changed the battery. I changed spark plugs. And if you can see my videos, I even changed the oil. I mean, man. Try that. Take it off. Put it on there. Leave it right there like that. And put it down this way. And just start the bike right there. You don't even have to crank nothing. Just start the bike. The bike will start. This bad boy is beautiful. I just rode it. Enjoy it. It's a nice bike. Listen to how it sounds like. Of course, I got the mic on off. It's a small looking bike, but this mother lover is fast. Listen. Yeah, she's beautiful. She got about 17,000 miles. See? It's a beautiful bike. Love it. Can't wait to clean it. Sometimes I change these fairings. I put the blue ones on. And I got a blue gas tank. Sometimes people be like, man, you got a red bike and a blue bike. They don't know the secret, but there it is now. I put it all over YouTube. Yeah. Look up for upcoming videos. I fix my car, my wife's car, and this motorcycle. I'm from Virginia. Let's go.